So we have this equation, and the question reads, a wave in a string is described by the following equation, which is this one. Find the amplitude, wavelength, period, speed, and the direction. So first of all, the general formula of this wave, so the general formula, or let's say is given by, so y is equals to a cos, in brackets, 2 pi over lambda x minus 2 pi over 12t. No, not 12, sorry. It's supposed to be t. So there's t for time, and then there's t for time period. What's the first thing we're looking for? Amplitude, right? So the coefficient of the trig function, which is this, is our amplitude. So we have amplitude. Amplitude is 0.15 meters. We're done. What's next? Frequency. So, are you sure it's frequency? Wavelength. So, wavelength, we get the coefficient for x compared to this coefficient for x. So, we'll say 2 pi, or before this, let's write it here. We'll say 2 pi over lambda is equals to pi over 5. If we cross multiply, what do we get? We'll get pi lambda times pi is equals to 10 pi. I divide both sides by pi, hence lambda is equals to 10 meters. Because remember, lambda is a length, so it's measured in meters. What's next? Period. So period is t. So we get the coefficient for t again. So to find the period, we'll say 2 pi over t is equals to pi over 12. I'm looking for t. If I cross multiply, the coefficient of small t is what I'm comparing. If I cross multiply, we'll have pi t is equals to 24 pi. Cancel pi on both sides. Hence t is equals to 24 seconds. So how do we find the frequency? It's obvious. We just use the formula. Frequency is equals to 1 over period. So 1 over 24. What is 1 over 24? 1 over 24. 0.042. 0.042 a second or hertz. Okay. Then let's talk about speed. How do we find the speed? Remember, formula for speed, we say speed is equals to lambda multiplied by frequency. So the speed will be given by, what is lambda? Lambda, we said, is 10. Frequency is this value that we have here, which is 0.042. So what do we get? If we multiply this by 10, we simply get 0.42 meters per second. So that is our speed or velocity. Lastly, in which direction does this wave go? Is it to the right or to the left? So the key is, let's not use the lambda, let's use this sign. When you see a wave having a plus here, just know that it's going to the left. It has a minus here, just know that it's going to the right. So the direction is to the right. Or you can say to the positive, either way. So if there's a negative, to the right. If there's a positive, the opposite, to the left.